Welcome to this explainer. Today, we're focusing on a program that honestly provides life-changing foundational support for communities everywhere, and that's Wisconsin WIC. Look, if you've ever felt completely overwhelmed by government applications, or you just want to know the exact, no-nonsense steps to access nutritional support for your family, you are in the exact right place. We're going to strip away all the bureaucratic jargon and give you your ultimate step-by-step guide to applying for WIC right here in Wisconsin. Right out of the gate, I want you to hear this staggering statistic from the Wisconsin Department of Health Services. 52%. Yep, 52% of all infants in Wisconsin actually qualify for WIC. So if you're tuning in and wondering, hey, is this program really meant for me? The answer is very likely yes. It's a completely normal, incredibly common foundation that over half of the babies in the state rely on to get the absolute best nutritional start in life. And there's a very good reason why so many families use it. This quote directly from the Eau Claire County WIC Clinic pretty much hits the nail on the head. It says, WIC benefits keep families strong and healthy. Babies born on WIC have better birth outcomes and better health later in life. We're not just talking about a few extra dollars for groceries here. We are talking about life-changing, multi-generational impacts on community health. And that's exactly why taking a few minutes to understand and apply for this is so deeply important. So here is our quick roadmap for today's walkthrough. We'll cover 1. What Wisconsin WIC offers, 2. Checking your eligibility, 3. Preparing documents, 4. Application steps, 5. Using benefits, and 6. Help and resources. Let's jump right in.
Okay, Section 1, what Wisconsin WIC offers. Let's look at the specific resources this program actually provides.
WIC is really designed to wrap around your entire family with comprehensive support. So yes, you do get monthly benefits for healthy foods. We're talking fresh fruits, veggies, milk, cheese, cereal, peanut butter, the works. But look at these other amazing pillars. WIC provides incredible breastfeeding support, which includes things like peer counseling and lactation classes. They do personalized nutrition education with kid-friendly recipes and budget shopping tips. Plus, there's Care Beyond WIC, where your clinic helps refer you to other crucial services like immunizations, Head Start, or Badger Care. Oh, and in the summer, they even provide special benefits to spend at your local farmers markets.
Moving right along to Section 2, checking your WIC eligibility, let's see who actually qualifies, because honestly, the criteria might surprise you.
Now, what's really fascinating here is how this program completely breaks the myth that WIC is only for mothers. Yes, pregnant women and moms who are up to 6 months postpartum or up to a year if they're breastfeeding are absolutely a primary focus. But fundamentally, WIC is about the child's nutrition. That means fathers, foster parents, kinship caregivers, and legal guardians can, and absolutely should, apply on behalf of any child in their care who is under the age of 5. And then there's the income side of things, where people count themselves out way too early. As highlighted by the WIC Mom Strong initiative, a family of 4 making an annual gross income of about $55,500 easily qualifies for the program. And here is a massive tip. If you or your family members are already participating in programs like Badger Care Plus, Medicaid, Food Share, or Wisconsin Works, you might actually be automatically income eligible for WIC. All right, Section 3, preparing your application documents. A little bit of prep here makes the whole process completely stress-free. Just think of this as your pre-application grocery list. You only need 3 basic things before you pick up the phone or go online. First, proof of identity for everyone applying, so a driver's license for you, and maybe a birth certificate, hospital discharge paper, or crib card for the baby. Second, proof of address showing you live in Wisconsin. A current utility bill or rent receipt works perfectly. And third, proof of income. This could be recent pay stubs for working folks in the household, or your notice of decision letter if you're on Food Share or Medicaid. Actually, if you're already on Medicaid or Food Share, a lot of times you don't even need to provide the income and address documents again. It's that easy.
Which brings us to Section 4, application and appointment steps. You've got your documents, now let's actually apply.
The journey to get your benefits happens in 3 super simple steps. Step 1, submit an online pre-application through wicmomstrong.com or the Access Wisconsin portal, or honestly just call your local county health clinic directly. Step 2, the WIC staff will reach out to schedule an appointment with you. And Step 3, you and your child simply attend a screening interview with their friendly, trained staff. Look, it's totally normal to feel a bit anxious about any kind of screening appointment, so let's pull back the curtain on exactly what happens. A WIC nutritionist will just do a basic health check. This involves measuring height and weight, having a casual conversation about your family's health and diet, and doing a quick little test to check your blood's iron levels. And I want to make something very, very clear, right from the Department of Health Services. Anything you share is 100% private, and WIC staff will absolutely never ask about your immigration status. You do not have to be a legal U.S. resident to get these benefits for your child.
Awesome. So now we're on Section 5, using your WIC benefits. Once you're approved, shopping is incredibly modernized. Seriously, the WIC program has come such a long way. Gone are the days of fumbling with paper vouchers at the register. Now you get an e-WIC card, and it works exactly like a debit card. Even better, you can download the free Wisconsin My WIC mobile app. It's on Apple and Google Play in both English and Spanish. When you're wandering the aisles, you can literally use the app to scan the UPC barcodes on food items to instantly see if they are WIC approved. Plus, you can check your real-time benefit balance right from the palm of your hand. It's a total game changer.
And you can use that e-WIC card at major grocery and pharmacy locations across the state. We're talking about places you're probably already shopping at, like Hy-Vee, Target, Walmart, Festival Foods, Woodman's, even Walgreens if you're in a pinch and need to quickly pick up some approved infant formula. The WIC app will even pull up a map for you to show the closest approved store to wherever you are right now.
Finally, Section 6, help and additional resources. If you hit a snag at any point, here is exactly where to turn.
Let me just ask you directly. Are you having trouble, or do you need a little help figuring out if WIC is right for you? Please don't give up. The state of Wisconsin has a dedicated support system set up specifically to make sure you do not fall through the cracks. Caring, compassionate help is literally just a phone call away.
If you need assistance, you should immediately reach out to the Well Badger Resource Center. These are your exact lifelines. You can call them toll-free at 800-642-7837, or if you're more of a texter, just text WB to 608-360-9328. They're available Monday through Friday from 7 a.m. to 6 p.m., and they offer free interpretive services in multiple languages to make sure you get exactly the help you need no matter what.
So here's the big question to leave you with. Are you ready to get WIC strong? With 52% of Wisconsin infants already benefiting from this incredible program, there is absolutely zero reason for you to leave these health and nutritional resources on the table. Gather those 3 basic documents, hop online to wicmomstrong.com, or just make a quick call to your county clinic and start that application today. The long-term health of your family, it is absolutely worth it.
Before we officially wrap up, just a quick disclaimer. While we've based this guide on the most up-to-date information, policies can and do update over time, so always verify your specific details directly with your official local WIC agency. Thank you so much for joining us today. If securing a lifetime of better health for a child begins with something as simple as scanning a barcode for a fresh apple, shouldn't every eligible family have that power in their pocket? Until next time, keep learning, stay focused, and we'll see you on the next explainer.